Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the Edamame trend on TikTok. So for that, you need one effect. For that, go to Effects Gallery. Okay, now go to Funny. Okay, and here just scroll up. Yeah, until you see this image. This is the effect. The effect name is Catch Me. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from this effects gallery, you can go to discover, and here you can search for Catch Me. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the try this button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So record your video and share it to your TikTok. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You need to open it with TikTok app. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the try this effect at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can use this effect and do this Edamame trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.